If you'd like to see how much weight I lost or gained this week, plus some tips on how to break a plateau in weight loss, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for choosing my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I use the WW or Weight Watchers Blue Plan to lose weight, and I have lost over 120 pounds so far on my weight loss journey. And on these videos, I kind of like to share my weight change for the week, and I also offer some tips that I have found to be helpful in losing so much weight, and so I like to share them with you. So today I'm doing some tips that I found that can break through a plateau. I know sometimes you get stuck at a certain weight level. I know I've been stuck for a few months in this 10-pound range, which I'm trying to break through. So I'm going to do some things that will help me break through that weight loss, weight plateau, and hopefully they can help you. And I want to share those with you today along with my weigh-in for the week. The first tip I have in order to break through a plateau is to take out some of the carbs from your diet. Don't eat so much bread or pasta, noodles, potatoes, those starchy foods that will sometimes cause you to hold on to the weight. So that is one idea. I know back the end of last year, I did a no carb month, and I had quite a bigger weight loss for the month. So I know that works. The second tip I have to help you break a plateau is to eat more protein. When you bump up your protein, it will increase your metabolism, and it will help you burn off the weight a little bit faster and hopefully break through that plateau. When you want to add protein to your diet, it's not only for meals, but add it for snacks like eggs or turkey, chicken, any of those lean proteins. Use those for part of your snack ideas as well as your meals. And number 3 is to increase the frequency of your exercise. Maybe just do it more often, or just take any opportunity you have to get some exercise in, whether it's taking a longer walk, parking farther away in the stores, taking stairs instead of the elevator. Just do really whatever you can to get in extra exercise and movement, and that will usually help you break through a weight loss plateau. Drink lots of water. Try to hit a goal of drinking half of your body weight in ounces of water. So if you weigh 200 pounds, try to drink 100 ounces of water a day. You may find drinking that water will help you take off some of that weight. I know I have trouble drinking water if it's ice cold. I like to drink it at room temperature because I can gulp it down a little bit faster. So that is what I do, but it varies for everybody else. You can also try adding coffee or tea to your diet during the day. Those items have caffeine, and you may find that it's boost up your metabolism. Even drinking a green tea, if you drink one of those a day, it helps you burn fat a little bit faster. Some tests have shown. So you might want to try adding a green tea to your diet daily. The next tip is to fill up on vegetables as much as you can. Try filling up at least half your plate with vegetables, and just do protein, and just add as many vegetables throughout the day as you can. Not only will it help you feel fuller, but it'll give you lots of nutrition and help you lose weight and break through that plateau, which is what we're all looking to do. My final tip for breaking through a plateau is to change up something. Whether it is, if you're on the Weight Watchers program, you can change up the color of the plan you're on. If you're following blue, try green or try purple. It just will give you some different foods, choices to eat. Challenge yourself to do a different kind of exercise, whether it be weightlifting or a dance like Zumba or some kind of sport activity like tennis or swimming. Those kind of changes will help you bust through that plateau when you get stuck, and you'll find that those kind of changes really help with your exercise. Another thing about change is don't keep eating the same foods. Change up your diet, add a new recipe, or use some of those weekly points that we're all entitled to. You may find that it will help you lose weight if you give your body more food. I know it worked for me when I ate all of my weekly points. I know usually I tend not to eat my weekly points, but a couple times when I did give my body more food, I found that I had a bigger weight loss. So maybe that will work for you. The idea is not to keep doing the same thing, because you'll keep getting the same results. And change is good for weight loss, and it's good for breaking through a plateau. So do something different with your exercise or your eating in order to enhance your weight loss. So those are some of my tips that I have found that will help with breaking through a weight loss plateau. If you have any other suggestions or ideas, please comment below, because I always like to read about what other people do to help them lose weight. So my weight loss for this week was 0.8 of a pound, which brings me up to a total of 121.9 pounds so far. And for the month of March, I lost 3.1 pounds, which is, I'm trying to break through those. It's been a few months. I keep losing, but I'm only losing like 3 pounds or so a month. So I really want to bump it up a little bit, and hopefully I will. In the month of March, I have been giving up snacks for Lent, and I thought maybe that would help me, but it hasn't produced a bigger weight loss at the moment. So my word for the month of March was determination, and this month I am focusing on the word of change. So I have a lot of changes planned in the month of April, and I'll clue you in on some of those at a later time. But that's my word for the month. This week I'm working on a 0-point week, so be sure to watch out for that video. I'm doing all 0-point foods for the week. We'll see if that helps me boost my weight loss, or if it just keeps me flat because I'm not eating as much. So it is the last week before Easter, so that is what I am doing to finish up the week of Lent. So you can watch that video. My word for the month of April is change. And I found a motivational quote that I really liked. It says, if you don't like something, change it. And if you can't change it, change your attitude about it. And that quote is from Maya Angelou, and I think that quote is very perfect for this month, and hopefully I will break through this weight loss I am stuck at. And on my calendar, my planner for the month, April, I can and I will, and that is what I'm going to think about. I can and I will. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.